So hello class 7 students, welcome back again. So today we'll start the exercise questions from chapter nutrition in animals. So let's begin then exercise. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. The first question you see, the main steps of nutrition in humans are, there are 5 gaps given to you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gaps are given to you, yes. So you have to fill in the gap first of all. So what is the first step of nutrition? First step of nutrition is ingestion. Okay, ingestion. Ingestion you will write in this dash. Okay, you can pause the video and you can note it down. Okay, first step will be ingestion. Second step, here you will write here in this gap. Okay, in this gap you will write. Second step after ingestion is digestion. 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 Okay. Third step, you will write in this dash. Third step is absorption. What is it? Absorption. 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 Third step. Fourth step, you will write over here, is assimilation. What is it? Assimilation. 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 Okay. Next step, last step is egestion. 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 Okay, you can note it down. You can pause the video and you can note it down in your book. Next question, question number B. The largest gland in the human body is, which is the largest gland in the human body? It is liver. 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 Okay, you can note it down. Next question, question number C. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and dash juices which act on food. Okay, the stomach releases hydrochloric acid and what it releases? It releases digestive juices. What is it? Digestive. DIGESTIVE. Digestive juices which act on food. Okay. Next question, question number D. The inner wall of the small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths called, finger-like outgrowths in the small intestine is called as what? Villi. VILLI. Okay, villi. Next question, question number E. Amoeba digests its food in the, where does amoeba digest its food? It digests in the food vacuole. Okay, food vacuole. You can note it down. Food vacuole. 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 Okay. Next question, question number 2. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. So the first question, digestion of starch starts in the stomach. Is it? Digestion of starch starts in the stomach or what? It is what? True or false? It is false. Okay. Digestion of starch starts in the stomach. It is false. Okay, so digestion of starch starts in the where? It starts in the mouth only, in the buccal cavity. Okay, so not in the stomach. It is false. Next question, the tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. True or false? It is true only, right? Tongue helps mixing the food with saliva. It is true. Okay, question number B. Next question, question number C. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. The bile juice which is secreted by the liver will be stored in gallbladder. Okay, it is true again. Okay, true. Next, the ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. Is it true or false? Yes, ruminants can swallow back the grass again into their mouth. Okay, they can chew again. It is true. Okay, question number 2 over. Next question, question number 3, you see. Tick mark the correct answer in each of the following. Question A here. Fat is completely digested in the stomach, mouth, small intestine or large intestine. This question is like MCQ, multiple choice question. So the question here is, fat is completely digested in the, 4 options are given to you. Where it is, where the fat is completely digested? It is digested in the where? Small intestine. Okay, the complete digestion of food takes place in the small intestine, and fats also digested in the small intestine. Okay, completely. Next, question B. Water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the where? Stomach, food pipe, small intestine or large intestine? It is large intestine. Okay, water and some amount of salts will be absorbed from the undigested food in the large intestine, and it will form the undigested food will become a semi-solid paste. Okay, so it takes place in the large intestine. Next question. Question number 4. Match the items of column 1 with those given in column 2. Okay, in column 1 you see some of the food components are given, like carbohydrates, proteins and fats, and in column 2 products of digestion are given to you, that is fatty acids and glycerol, sugar and amino acids. So you have to match the food components, the correct food components along with the correct product of digestion. So okay, let's match it. So the carbohydrates will be broken down in what? It will be broken down, or it will be digested to form sugar, right? Carbohydrates will be broken to form or digested to form sugar. Next is proteins. Proteins are broken down or form into or digested into amino acids. Okay. And lastly, from the name fats, you can just match it that fats after digestion will be formed into fatty acids and glycerol. Okay. This much. Okay. Next, let us go to question number 9. Okay, the answers of question number 5, question number 6, 7 and question number 8 I'll give in the next video or in the next class. Okay, so question number 9, let's see. Okay, which part of the digestive canal is involved in absorption of food? Okay, which part of the digestive canal or digestive tract is involved in absorption of food? Which part? It will be what? Small intestine, right? The absorption of food take place in where? It takes place in small intestine. Okay. Again, I am repeating it that you need to write down the answers in the book. Okay. By pausing the video, you can write it down. Next. Which part of the digestive canal is involved in chewing of food? It is what? Buccal cavity. Okay, chewing of food takes place where? It takes place in buccal cavity. Okay. Next. Killing of bacteria. Which part of the digestive canal is involved in killing of bacteria? Killing of bacteria takes place in stomach. Okay. It takes place in stomach. Next. Complete digestion of food. Which part of the digestive canal is involved in complete digestion of food? Again, where the complete digestion of food takes place? It takes place in small intestine. Okay. Lastly, formation of feces. Formation of feces. So, formation of feces. Which part of the digestive canal is involved in formation of feces? It takes place where? In the large intestine. Okay, so this completes your question number 9 also. Next, let us go to question number 11. The answer of question number 10 also I will provide in the next video or in the next class. Okay, so question number 11, you see, match the items of column 1 with suitable items in column 2. Okay, some of the organs are given or glands are given in column 1, and the secretion, basically the secretion or the functions of these organs or these glands are given in column 2. So you have to match it. So let us start the matching. Okay, salivary gland. First of all, salivary gland, what does salivary gland secrete, or what is the function? It secretes saliva. Okay, saliva secretion. Okay, salivary gland will be matched with option number 3 of column 2, that is saliva secretion. Next, stomach. What does the stomach produces? Stomach produces is this acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid, right? So acid release. Here you can match option number 4 of column 2, stomach, with acid release. Okay. Next, liver. It will be bile juice secretion. Yes, liver secretes bile juice. Okay. Next, rectum. Rectum will be, you can match it with here, release of feces. Okay. Next, small intestine. Small intestine, digestion is completed in small intestine, right? And lastly, large intestine. Large intestine will be matched with absorption of water. Okay, absorption of water. One more thing. Yes, rectum will not be matched with this. Okay, it will not be matched with this. Release of feces will be matched with anus. Okay, from the anus only fecal matter will be released. And rectum, the correct option for rectum will be here, storage of undigested food. Yes, storage of undigested food. Okay, undigested food will be stored for some time in rectum, so it will be matched with this. The correct option for rectum will be option number 2 from column 2, storage of undigested food. Not this. Okay, not this. Release of feces will be matched with anus, and the option of anus is not there. Okay, so this completes your answer of question number 11 also. Okay, and we'll conclude the video with this, and we'll give the rest of the answers in the next class. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.